everyone, Nova here. Today we are breaking down the enterprise GenAI workflow architecture in the simplest, cleanest way possible. If you love clear visual explanations like this, follow NovaraaAI for more deep dive AI breakdowns. Alright, let's get started.
Nova, let's start from the very beginning. Where does this GenAI workflow actually begin?
It starts with data ingestion. Multiple sources, user inputs, APIs, internal systems, and streaming events all feed into the pipeline.
So everything enters through a structured intake?
Exactly. The pipeline handles pre-processing, normalization, schema mapping, and batching, making raw data usable for AI systems.
After ingestion, what happens to the clean data?
It flows into the feature store, then into the embedding service, where text or multimodal data is converted into searchable embeddings.
And those embeddings go where?
Into the vector database, Pinecone, Milvis, or Viviate, optimized for semantic retrieval.
This part looks important, the orchestrator layer. What's happening here?
The orchestrator LLM takes control. It decides which tools to call, how to plan tasks, when to retrieve context, how to enforce policy and cost controls.
So it's the brain of the workflow?
Exactly. It coordinates every downstream step.
And these agents, they're doing the real specialized work?
The orchestrator deploys task-specific agents, retrieval agent, coding agent, citation agent, validation agent.
So it's not one monolithic AI, it's multiple coordinated workers.
Correct. A multi-agent system ensures quality, accuracy, and autonomy.
What ensures this whole pipeline keeps improving?
Continuous evaluation, feedback loops, and retraining. This includes automated tests, human review, fine-tuning, model registry updates, and deployment cycles.
So improvement is baked in?
Absolutely. It's a closed feedback loop.
What about reliability? How do we ensure this entire workflow stays healthy?
That's where monitoring and governance comes in. We track system health, costs, data lineage, access, and audit logs.
So this is the safety net for the whole architecture.
Yes, it ensures everything runs smoothly, securely, and efficiently.
So Nova, this architecture is basically the full enterprise GenAI life cycle.
Exactly. End-to-end, from raw data to multi-agent orchestration, evaluation, training, and governance.
That was a clear walkthrough. Thanks.
Always happy to help. For more enterprise-grade AI breakdowns, follow NovaraaAI.